Hey guys, this is Dan from OnlineLabels. In this video, we're going to help you get started with the mail merge tool in Maestro Label Designer. Let's take a look. This is a really useful option if you're printing address labels, name tags, barcodes, or really any labels that are showing different information on the same sheet. Start by opening Maestro and choosing your project, either from your saved designs or from a blank or pre-designed template. Once you've got your design open, navigate to the top of the page and hover over the Tools tab. Then, click Mail Merge. The next screen is where you can upload your text in a spreadsheet, database, or CSV file. You'll be prompted to submit your data list here, or to choose from one that you've already submitted. To choose one from your computer, click Add a new mail merge list and select your file. Now you're able to work on your text fields and choose how they're formatted. You can do this really easily with the green arrows below. With Simple Text Field, you can add each text field from your upload to your design separately, and then adjust as needed. Combined Text Field will add all of the information you choose into one text box. The Barcode field will help you generate barcodes if your design needs them to. When your formatting is perfect, click Add to Design. You should see your text fields included in your design now. Here you can make edits to your layout. Keep in mind, these changes affect all labels on your final print. Once it looks good, click Preview in the top right corner to see your data displayed. You can navigate through all of your information and always return to Mail Merge under the Tools tab to readjust and perfect your design. If you still have any questions, we'll link our Mail Merge guide in the description of this video on YouTube, which you can also find in the Mail Merge tool itself. Thanks so much for watching, and have fun designing.